In this video, I'm going to show you how you can text your ChatGPT without saving your history. So it's like incognito mode. You are going to text your ChatGPT, but your chat wouldn't be saved to the history. So when you hop on ChatGPT, there are lots of histories here. You can see there's my history here. Good. So when you do this, your history wouldn't be saved. You just hop on there, text everything, and then after that, it vanishes. Let me show you guys how to do that. So to do this, you just tap on this here at the top right corner of your screen. So when you check that message thing there, you can see on your screen, your chat won't appear in your history. Neither will it be used to create memories or even train their models. So but then they are saying for safety purposes, they might keep your chat for up to 30 days. After the 30 days, it's not going to be available, but then you're not going to find it in your history here. Very, very simple and easy. So that's it on how you can turn on incognito mode on ChatGPT, how you can chat with ChatGPT without saving your history. So if you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on ChatGPT app. You can check them out on my channel, and that's it for the video. Once again, peace.